Oh, guys, I might get lucky here, man. Are they going to launch a rocket?
It is like astronaut. That's right. That's it. That's the rocket.
God bless Elon Musk, man. We just got to watch a rocket launch, man.
Did you get it?
I think so.
How come?
Wow, guys. You know, I'm still in Titusville, and I'm still having mechanical problems with the bike, And so I was kind of stuck here. But I just got to watch a rocket go off, man. I turned on the camera as fast as I could. I didn't know it was going to happen. Just all of a sudden I heard it, and it was just incredible, man. Well, if y'all can ever make it to Titusville, try to get here when there's a rocket launch, because that was pretty awesome. Alrighty, guys, I'll post up later. Bye.